In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your weekly plan in Google Calendar when it's already set up as a recurring event. This is perfect if you want to reuse an existing weekly routine for a new time period, or move it to a different calendar without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this in a web browser for the clearest view, though the steps are similar on mobile. Once you're in, find the weekly event that represents your plan. Click on one of its occurrences. If you want the copy to start from a specific week, choose that week's instance so your options line up with your goal. With the event details open, look for the three dots menu, usually near the top right of the event card. Click it, then select Duplicate. This creates a separate copy of the event series, so you can adjust it without changing your original plan. On the duplicated event screen, review the details before saving. First, adjust the date range. This is where you set when the copied weekly plan should start and when it should end. If you're creating a new term, quarter, or project phase, enter those start and end dates so the events repeat only within that window. If you prefer the plan to continue indefinitely, you can leave the end date open, but setting an end date helps avoid clutter later. Next, choose the calendar. Use the calendar drop-down to place the copied series on the correct calendar, such as a work, team, or personal calendar. This keeps your schedules organized and can control who sees the events if you share calendars. Update the title if needed. Adding a clear label, like a project name or date range, makes it easy to distinguish the new series from the original. This is especially helpful if both series will exist at the same time. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see a prompt asking what to copy. Choose this and following events if you clicked a specific week and only want to copy from that point forward. This is great when you've made changes mid-series and want the copy to reflect the current version. Choose all events in series if you want an exact copy of the entire recurring plan from beginning to end. That's it. Your weekly plan has been successfully copied. You should now see the new series on your calendar with the updates you set. If anything looks off, open the copied series and make quick